Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can turn off auto updating on your Android. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you will find system apps updater. So just click here and just click on the settings, and here you can see in additional settings auto update. So just choose here, and here you will see three different options: don't update, update using Wi-Fi, and update using Wi-Fi and mobile data. So you choose don't update. Here you can see that we successfully changed to don't update, and this means that we successfully changed turn off our system apps updating. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.